One way to run Python is directly from the terminal, so let's actually go ahead and do that. Instead of typing python -- version, just type Python, and it should show something like this, and that indicates that you're running Python. And now you can actually type commands in Python one line at a time, and it will execute each line. So I'm going to print hello world, and there it prints hello world. I can assign variables, and then print the variable, and there it is. So Python is an interpreted language, which means that you can send instructions one at a time and have them execute one at a time in this interactive fashion, the way that I'm doing. Probably you don't really want to run Python this way, so you can type exit with an opening and closing parenthesis, and that will exit. You probably really want an IDE, and there's a lot of choices, so I'm going to give you an overview of what some of your choices are right now. There's a really great data science platform called Anaconda that I would probably recommend that you download and install. It comes with a lot of different built-in environments for executing Python code. So VS Code is like a full IDE. Jupyter Labs and Jupyter Notebook are more kind of like data science notebooks that you might use in like a biolab, for example. I'll probably use Spider a lot for my videos because it has an interactive shell that you can use to execute individual Python commands, but it also supports scripts, which are larger programs that you can write. Yet another option is an IDE called PyCharm, which is made by the same folks that made IntelliJ, JetBrains. So you can also download and install PyCharm, which a lot of people really like as an IDE. You'll see a couple of videos next, which is where I'll kind of detail the installation of these various things. I would say install whichever one makes you happy. Anaconda is probably the most all-encompassing one, so that's the one that I would recommend that you install. But if you want to experiment with PyCharm because you like IntelliJ so much, I'd say go ahead and give it a shot.